In this video, I'll show you how to check which personal details are attached to your Microsoft Word documents and make changes. This can be useful if you want to be anonymous, such as while doing a review of someone else's work, or if you want to know how long you've worked on a particular document, such as if you need to record your time as a contractor or consultant. On a Windows PC, with the Word document open, go to File, then Info. You can see Properties, you can see the author name, who last modified the file, as well as other properties such as total editing time. If you want to change how these names appear in all of your Word documents, go down here to Options. Here you can choose the username and initials. These will appear in places such as Properties and Track Changes in your document. And if you check the box, always use these values regardless of sign into Office. This will override the account that you have signed in. So I might change these to Author with initial A or Reviewer initial R if I'm editing an article or manuscript and need to keep my identity hidden. Now if I go to make a comment, track changes, it will show up as initials R and Reviewer as the name. If you don't want the receiver to know how long you spent editing, you can copy and paste your text into a new Word document to reset the editing time. Always check the file info properties before sending a file to someone to make sure that the file doesn't have any information that you don't want the receiver to see. On a Mac, with the document open in Word, go to File, then Properties. Go to Summary, it'll have the author name. You can change it here, but you also need to change it in General Preferences. Under Statistics, you can see your total editing time and who last saved the document. So go to Word, then Preferences, then User Information. And here's where you can change the name and initials associated with your account. And again, if you check the box, always use this name regardless of how I'm signed into Office. It will override how you're signed in. So if I make a comment, you can see here it's now got Reviewer with initial R. And that's how to check your personal details on a Microsoft Word document and make changes to the properties as needed.